Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this sunset eye. I really like the way this turned out. It's so pretty. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay guys, so I did do my eyebrows off camera. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, you can view my last video. So starting off here, I just primed my eyelid with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey as a base for my eyeshadow, and then I just set that with the Sacha Buttercup loose setting powder in Buttercup. Then I just go into my Morphe palette. This is the 35V palette. I go in with that like burnt orange brownish color in my crease first with a blending brush, just to give me direction of basically of my crease and where I want to put the colors, and I just blend that out. And then I go back into that same palette and get that burnt orange shade and go right on top of it. These two colors together blend so nicely. I like it. And I'm just going back and forth into my crease, just building that color and blending it. This look did take some time, but blending is really important for this look. And then I went into my Beige Cosmetics x Daisy Marquez palette, and with a deep brown color, and I'm just putting that right underneath that burnt orange color. And I'm just going in with a flat brush and my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Natural, and I'm just gonna cut that crease for the sunset colors. And now I'm just going into the Zulu palette by Juvias, and I'm picking up that yellow color, and I'm just putting that at the beginning of my eyelid, and I'm just packing that color on heavily.
Beige is on the beat.
And then with another flat brush, I go into the same palette and I just pick up that bright orange shade and I pack that on heavily also. And then I just take a small shader brush and I blend the yellow color and the orange color in the middle together. It's very important to have your eyeshadow blended. See, as right here, I'm just blending the crease, making sure everything is seamless and blended. And then I'm taking my NYX eyeliner in the color black, and I'm just making that wing eyeliner.
Digits on the beat.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the eye look. I pretty much just went ahead and add lashes off camera, and now I'm just gonna start on my face before I do my bottom lash line. Okay, for the face, I first take my Born This Way foundation. I'm in the color Chai. This is my favorite foundation in the world. I love it. The color, it matches me perfectly. It covers perfectly. It lasts all day. I highly recommend this foundation and the concealer, because I have the concealer also. And by the way, I was on the phone talking trash, of course. And just to let you guys know, I am blending out that concealer with a damp beauty blender. Major key, don't forget it. And now I'm taking my Born This Way concealer, and I'm using the color Maple. And then after I apply that, I'm also going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Medium Beige. And just highlight my face, under my eye, bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to blend that out and then start my contour. Well, no, I switched my process right here, because after I did that, then I just wound up I was forgetting the contour, so I just wound up setting my face by accident. And just to let you guys know, I am using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in the color Buttercup. I will have a list of all the products that I used in this video in the description box. And now I'm just contouring with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Thick Foundation, and I'm using the color Truffle. I'm just using my True Complexion contour palette in the color medium to dark to contour everywhere where I cream contour. And then after that, I'm just using my MAC mineralized face powder just to set my whole face and make sure everything is blended in with the big powder face brush. I also take my favorite blush in the world. It is by Black Radiance, and that's in the color Toasted Almond. And then I just highlight using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustla Baby. I start on my bottom lash line, I just go back into that Morphe palette and I pick up that burnt orange shade, and I start with that at the bottom. And then I just wanted some other type of color, so I pick up the blue shade in the Zulu palette, where I had got that orange and yellow shade at. And yeah, I just popped that right under my eye. Finish it off with inner tear duct highlight with Hustler Baby by Rihanna, well, Fenty Beauty. And then I just finished this look off with my lips. I used my MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut, and then I went over it with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Gloss Bomb, I think. I'm not sure, but I will have a list of all the products I use, like I said, in the description box below. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and also be sure to like and comment on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.
Just on the beat.